For me, in the hands-on training, mainly as I got to lead as a dentist on a volunteer patient, I came to know everything thoroughly in terms of what is to be done from the beginning till the end, including discharging the patient and how the actual process works before I go there and do it on my patient. So it was extremely thorough and helpful to me. I would definitely recommend this course to all of the dentists who would like to get certified in Nitrous, because Dr. Jordan Prince was extremely thorough and covered literally everything in depth. I don't think there is anything which needs to be learned for this course. It was all covered in the detailed course we have. My overall experience for Dentistry for Future was extremely smooth, to be honest. It was seamless, and I would say that I would be coming back to them for my future courses for sure.